In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal on AliExpress. For many of us, PayPal is a trusted and preferred method of online payment due to its convenience and security features. While AliExpress doesn't always prominently display PayPal as a payment option, there is indeed a way to use it, and I'm here to guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. Let's start with the basics. First, you'll need to log into your AliExpress account. If you don't have an account, it's easy to sign up by entering your email and a secure password. Upon logging in, browse around and choose the items you wish to purchase. Add them to your cart just as you normally would when shopping online. Once you're satisfied with your selections and ready to proceed, click on the shopping cart icon located at the top right of the page. In your cart, review the items you've added. It's crucial to double-check everything, including item details and quantities, to ensure all is in order before proceeding. After verifying your cart, look for the Buy All or Checkout button. This will bring you to the next step in the process, where you select your payment method. Here's where it gets interesting. At the Payment Methods section, you might not instantly see PayPal listed among the most prominent options. Don't worry. It's common to find it under an option labeled Other Payment Methods. Click on that, and you should see PayPal as a choice. Alternatively, you might see it available if the seller supports it, as not all sellers on AliExpress allow PayPal payments. If PayPal is available, select it. Once you've chosen PayPal, you'll be prompted to log into your PayPal account. Enter your credentials, your email and password. Remember, it's important to ensure you're on a secure network to protect your account information. After logging in, you'll need to confirm the payment details. Make sure the payment amount is correct and, if necessary, adjust the shipping address if it's not already updated. Click on Confirm to authorize the transaction. Upon completion, you'll receive a confirmation both from PayPal and AliExpress. This usually includes details of the transaction such as the amount paid, items purchased, and the estimated delivery timeline. Keep an eye on your email for these confirmations, as they serve as proof of transaction. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're all set to enjoy purchasing your favorite items on AliExpress using the convenience and security of PayPal. This method offers an added layer of financial protection and peace of mind, which is always a plus when shopping online. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!